everybody. I'm Miss Penny
And Jackie.
And we're here with you from Marengo-Union Library for S'more Day.
S'mores. I want some more.
Because they're ooey gooey, yummy, chocolatey, fun, yummy.
And also, there's also some more stories sometimes too that you might like, right?
There are.
And Miss Penny has a series here that she wants to tell you about and read a little bit from the book.
Yes, so maybe you'll get interested and want to read some more. So we have this series. It's the worst case scenario, an ultimate adventure novel, Amazon. You decide how to survive. So this is a choose your own adventure book by David
Okay.
And Hannah Khan. And so you get to choose your own adventure in these books. These are awesome because you can read it like many times and it can be different every time. You never know. So I'm going to read a little bit and you're going to have to read some more if you want to know what goes on. Are you ready? You ready, Miss Jackie?
I'm ready.
All right. This page has bees all over it. So right there, I'm already terrified. Okay. So you guys have been trekking through the Amazon. There's a group of you. You're trekking through the Amazon, okay? So you throw the machete on the ground and you backtrack the way you came, pushing through the foliage with your body and shouting, "Bees, bees!" The swarm is following you and you're getting stung. Ouch! Do you throw off your backpack so you can run faster and swat at the bees with your arms? Or do you keep your backpack on and lay down on the forest floor with your hands over your mouth so they don't get into your mouth and sting you?
Yes.
You're going to have to make a decision, everybody. If you run and swat the bees, you're going to be turning to page 53. But if you lie on the forest floor, then you're going to turn to page 134.
Ooh.
So in order to find out what happens, whichever choice you choose, you're going to have to check out the book and read some more.
Okay.
So there you go. Sounds interesting already. I almost want to check it out myself. So Miss Jackie's got some pretty neat books too here.
I've got this book, Miss Frogbottom's Field Trips. I can't believe we're going to a real castle. So the teacher's taking these kids to a real castle on a field trip. Not your average teacher, mind you. So if you like the Magic School Bus series, I think you'll like this new series that just came out. And also, if you want some more of the Stuart Gibbs books, if you've read all the spy series that he put out, the Spy School series, he now has a new series that's animal themed with titles like Bare Bottom, Pandemonium, Lying Down, Belly Up. Can you guess what kind of animal a belly up would be? Do you want to know some more? Well, come to the library and we'll help you, okay?
That's good, you guys. You have to check these out and read them to find out some more info.
We're also going to give you in your kit, we're going to give you,
check this out, guys.
yes, a marshmallow shooter, okay?
What?
Yes, you and your
So
family
cool.
can have fun shooting marshmallows at each other. And the whole idea is one person shoots them out and the other person tries to catch them. Okay?
That's too fun.
Yes.
Just one per family.
One per
they're not gonna
family.
be, yeah.
And
Yep.
we will give you a bag of small marshmallows too. That will be
Plenty of marshmallows to shoot at each other.
Yes, yes. And what else is the kit going to include?
So also in your kit, you are going to have some big marshmallows. And if you've ever made a s'more before, you know that you need the big marshmallows to put on to your graham crackers, which will also be in your kit. Not a whole box like this, but you will have graham crackers in your kit. And what else goes with ooey gooey marshmallows and the crackers, Miss Jackie?
Have something to kind of keep them all together, and that would be chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate goes with everything.
Yes, it does.
And we'll include some recipes in there for
Yep.
you, and the history of s'mores.
Some fun facts
Fun
are going to be in there.
and some recipes.
And
also give you some story ideas that maybe when you and your family are sitting around eating your s'mores, then you can maybe start a story and then pass it on to the next person. We'll give you some suggestions.
yeah, and each one in your family can add some more to your story
Yes.
while you're eating your
s'mores.
Yeah, so you can make up some really cool stories. So yeah, sometimes you can make stories where everybody can just say one word, and sometimes you can make stories where it can be a sentence or even a whole little phrase. And then you just make funny, silly stories.
That's right, yes.
And we'll give you some prompts so you can start those stories.
All right,
so
and we're going to send home the instructions to do this experiment.
Yes.
And Miss Penny's going to show you how to make, what is we making again?
They are monster mellows. Monster mellows.
That is a mouthful.
Yes, monster mellows in the microwave. So make sure that you have your big person's permission before you do this, please. Okay?
All right, I'll read the instructions to you. Okay,
Yes,
you
I
ready?
think that sounds good.
Okay.
Oh, and I just wanted to show, I just wanted you guys to know there's a whole bunch of different ways to make s'mores, okay? Just before we start making this. So there's also this other experiment that you could try where you can make your very own solar oven, make it outside. Okay. But there's so many different ideas for s'mores, guys. So we're just giving you plain old chocolate crackers and marshmallows, but you can add pretty much anything. There's frozen s'mores.
Ooh.
What other kinds of s'mores are there, Miss Jackie, that you can think of? Let's see.
S'mores on a stick.
S'mores on a stick.
I guess maybe that'll save your fingers from getting all gooey.
Right. Ooh, how about this one?
Perfect.
Yes. Especially if you like to camp. These are good camping ones. Yep. So all you have to do is, I enjoy Pinterest, but you can go anywhere. This is gourmet s'mores. Look at this. Whole bunch of different ways to make s'mores. You don't even have to use graham crackers. You can use cookies and anything. Yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to share that there's a whole bunch of different, you can make them frozen, and you can make s'mores in the house or outside.
Okay.
So sometimes we end up making our s'mores in the house, and sometimes we use the microwave.
Okay.
But
all right, so while Miss Penny is getting a plate and putting 2 marshmallows on that paper plate.
Do we need paper towels yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yes.
I should listen to the directions. She did not say that, did you? All right.
But it's also going to tell you why she's getting those 2 marshmallows out on that plate. Because the one time I went camping and we didn't want to bring the chocolate with us because we were afraid the chocolate would melt. So we used chocolate chip cookies because the chocolate chip cookies already have the chocolate in the cookie.
Smart.
Yes, and then we roasted marshmallows.
Smart.
Yes, and then used the 2 cookies to get that marshmallow off that stick, and oh,
that sounds good.
I
kind of want to go home and have s'mores right now.
You want some more?
I do. Okay, 2 marshmallows on a plate.
Okay, put the plate in the microwave and set the timer for 1 minute.
Okay. Is there anything fun that we could do with these marshmallows beforehand, Miss Jackie?
I don't know. It says, I think you can use maybe just a toothpick.
Okay. Let's see. Anything fun?
Okay.
What else can I try?
Oh, this explains. I didn't know marshmallows were made up of sugar and water.
I think I also heard marshmallows are mostly air too.
Oh, okay.
So if you dip your toothpick onto some food coloring, you could draw a little face or something on there. Okay. Then maybe when it expands, I just might have given it away in case you guys didn't know. Maybe when it does whatever it's going to do in the microwave, we can see what happens to the face. So I'm going to make one with the face.
Okay.
Can you see it? Oh, let me get.
There
we are. Okay, just a little smiley face, and I'll leave one plain. How about that?
All right.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, now we'll put it in the microwave.
Right.
2. Oh, 1 marshmallow came off. Okay. 2. marshmallows on a plate in the microwave.
Right, for 1 minute,
One
which is the same
minute.
as 60 seconds.
Yes, it is. Let's see how this microwave works. Let's see if Miss Penny can work this microwave.
There we go.
Minute plus. I've never used this microwave before. This is our work microwave here, library microwave. Okay.
And now that
Do
you
we
know
just
how to
watch it
use
for a minute?
It looks like it. It looks like
Okay.
you're gonna watch it, and you're gonna
Okay.
watch how after about 20 seconds you'll see the marshmallows.
Oh my
start to
goodness.
Pop up. Oh wow.
Holy cow!
Yes.
I don't know how. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. Holy cow! Can you see that?
Let me just open this real quickly so they can see.
Look at the size of those things. Oh, my face
Wow.
popped open.
They start off this size, and look how big they are.
Yeah, you should smell them.
Wow.
Okay.
Mm.
Smell that? All right.
Yes. Ooh, smells good.
All right. So should we start it back up?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
That was pretty cool. They got so big.
They grew 4 times the size of their original marshmallow.
Yeah, look at them. You can totally see those things growing.
Okay, now we're going to open up the marshmallow. Here, let me hold that for you.
Okay.
Okay. And I think we're going to see whether or not the marshmallow is hollow inside. Oops.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see. Well,
Oh, look at that.
hollow and brown.
Okay.
Definitely turning colors. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to use the toothpick that I used here. I'm just kind of, because it might be hot. So,
Yes.
yeah. So, yeah, it's definitely hollow inside in that one. Look at that. And, oh, yeah, look at that. Totally hollow.
Okay.
Not only hollow, but it turned brown inside. Inside is brown and outside is still white.
How did it do that? How could it be brown inside? We didn't put it over a fire.
No, we didn't, but it did. Interesting. So this is pretty, and it's very gooey. See, it's
Yes.
totally gooey. So really cool. All right. Is there anything else that we could look at while we're? Let's see what other kind of.
These
Yeah.
marshmallows are getting smaller
Oh,
now.
there we
Oops.
go. Let me see it. There we
There we
go.
go.
And see, we took them out of the microwave, and now they're getting smaller. All right. Interesting. Look at that. Oh. So, you guys, if you do this at home, you'll be able to feel it. It's actually, it was really gooey when we first took it out, but right now it's starting to harden. It's starting to get hard on the
Oh,
outside.
okay.
Still a little gooey on the inside, but the outside is getting really hard. So let's see. I'm just curious now. This piece that came off is almost completely hard. It's almost, yeah. Do you want to feel what it feels like, Miss Jackie, or no?
No, I think yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty, and you can still see. You can kind of see it's almost like burnt, even though it was not put in a fire. So it's still a little bit gooey, but it's hard. Interesting. Let's see if we can peel it off the plate. Let's see. It's stuck a little bit to the plate, but it's actually still a little gooey and hard at the same time. Quite interesting.
It's almost like it's caramelizing, isn't it?
Yeah. Now it says that we can take a bite, but I'm going to forego that. Maybe you guys can do that when you do this at home. So this is really this is actually kind of cool to feel, actually.
But you wait till after it cooled off before you're
Yes,
touching it,
I
right?
didn't
Oh.
touch this. And actually, I think the inside is still pretty warm because this is warm, but I wouldn't touch inside there. I think it's still pretty hot, actually. Now this one that I haven't really been poking at is actually soft to the touch on the inside and hard around the edges. Ooh, it's so crispy.
Crispy. Oh wow.
Crispy around the edges. Really. So crispy, it just crisps right up like that. This is really cool. So, yeah. Oh. So when you take the marshmallow out of the microwave and it cools off, the bubbles in the microwave, or the bubbles in the marshmallow start to shrink, and then the sugar hardens again, which is why it's getting all crispy. And then it gets all dry and crunchy. And that's because some of the water from it evaporates. And it's getting really crunchy now. But the water, any water that's in the marshmallow evaporates when it gets hot. And so it's all, that went all over. So if you cook your marshmallow for too long, it turns brown or black inside, which we can see happens. So when I do cook my marshmallows in the microwave at home, I really only warm them for like 10 seconds.
Okay.
So 1 minute was a really long time.
I think it might have been too long.
I think so. And what this is called actually, what this is called with it turning brown like that is called caramelizing. So what we did was we caramelized our marshmallow. So that is really cool.
That is.
So this would be kind of fun to do at home, and you guys can feel, you can watch it at home even closer what happens to your marshmallows. And maybe you can draw a really neat picture, something different than a happy face, and see what happens when it expands.
Like a monster, gooey monster.
Yes. Maybe the mouth can like open as it grows or something. That would be really cool.
All right.
So, really neat, guys.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
And come back for some more fun.
Come back for some more, and I hope you come back to read some more of that story, too. You guys have fun. Enjoy your s'mores. Enjoy your family time, and I hope you try and get some more of that. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.